Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, and this is the third car of SC382, a tribute to the classics. And this was the classics from the 1970s, 60s, 70s, and 80s with Mattel, and they were doing a lot of Hot Wheels, and now Auto World is going to do some Hot Wheel type cars, but slot cars, and this is my favorite of the series. Yes, the Bel Air, everybody's fascinated with the Bel Air, but this is my favorite. And this is the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS. And this is extraction too. And this car is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It's got the beautiful hood flames. It's got the side flames, Hot Wheels on both sides. It's got Hot Wheels back here, SS, and it's got the Hot Wheel on the bumper. I'm telling you, this is my car right here.
Is that the one you're racing tonight?
Yeah, this is mine right here. This is the baby right here. And this is gonna be the Dominator right here, the Dominator. I'm gonna call it the Dominator, all right? Look at that baby. Okay, we're gonna put that on the track. Oh my gosh, I love the way it runs. Because it's got a lot of speed, baby. Check out that speed. And that is the third car, and that is the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS Treasure Hunt Tribute. Oh man, these things are gonna be, people are gonna want to buy these things for years to come. The reason being is Hot Wheels. See, this is the first time Auto World's been doing this. Okay, and so this is what's gonna make these things even more popular is Hot Wheels, because you're gonna get Hot Wheel buyers wanting to come in here and buy them because it says Hot Wheels on them. That's why, okay? And that, don't forget to subscribe, click below, okay? You wanna like, subscribe, and click the link below. And because we need more subscribers. You gotta always give us thumbs up too. You have to give us thumbs up all the time. I do that more and more now on YouTube as I give people thumbs up. It helps their channel. And that is SC382, and this is the third car of SC382.